In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix PFN LIST CORRUPT error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So right click on the start button and then here you have to select device manager. Now locate universal serial bus controllers. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then locate your problematic driver from here. So if this is your problematic driver, right click and then select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Once you have uninstalled it, simply right-click at the Start button, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Do not forget to restart once you uninstall the problematic driver because in that case, that will reinstall the driver into your Windows. And again, go back to the same device manager window. Then expand the list for universal serial bus controllers and locate your problematic driver. Right-click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. Go to the Windows search bar and type Memory Diagnostic. You'll find Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on that. Simply click on this option, Restart Now and check for problems. Okay, so this will help you too. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Next method is you have to also make sure your Windows OS or operating system is updated. So for that, click on the Start button and click on Settings. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply, okay, wait in a while. Click this button right here to make sure you are updated, okay? Now, once you're updated, then you're good to go. Next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now, there are some commands right here that I will be sharing to you in the description section of this video. So copy each command one by one. Control C to copy. Control V to paste and hit Enter. Now, in running these commands, this will really take some time. There is no specific duration for the process. But once the first command has been done, then you need to copy the second command from here and then paste it in the command prompt window and then you have to wait for the process to also be done. In case you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, you just have to wait for that. Okay? Just be patient in waiting for that. So you have to wait patiently until the process is completed. And then once completed, you right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.